Kiwi crate.
Alright.
And so we're gonna go to the pool, so it's not gonna be so long.
Oh, yes. Let's see if we make it short and quick. But you know how this Kiwi crate boxes has a lot of activities. So far, Kiwi Co is my favorite subscription. Right? How about yours?
My favorite.
Okay, so.
What is this?
Okay, look. Ready, everybody? This is what we're doing today. Dish launchers.
Oh.
We're gonna launch discs. We're gonna make this cool little thing here.
Oh, so these rainbow things are the discs.
Yeah. Oh, we have. So what do we have in this box?
We
This is our box. We have our usual little comic book. Whatever these are.
Bullets.
Whatever these are.
Whatever these are.
Whatever these are. And whatever these are.
This.
Oh, air dry clay.
I love clay a little bit too
And
Everything's blurry. Everything's blurry.
and that's it.
Wonky.
So let's
Look
put.
wonky.
I look wonky. Let's put everything back in the box, and let's get ready to start. Here, put those back,
This
and
is
let's see what we
glass.
need.
That's
It's plastic. All right, ready? Put that back in there. Here we are. Let's start. Disc launchers.
disc.
Okay, so in this crate, we're gonna do 3 things. Build a disc launcher, create clay obstacles, and disc launcher games.
I just want to make things with clay.
Well, that's the second part. Build a disc launcher. What will we need? Tubes, let's separate our stuff. Tube, foam donuts. Foam donuts.
Foam donuts.
Those are this little thing. Hold on.
We don't need the bullets yet.
Let's open this thing here. So we need 1 tube, look. Only 1. Foam donut. It only says 1 as well. So here. Foam stopper.
This does feel like foam.
Wood base.
Wood base. What's that called?
Wood base.
Wood base.
Rubber bands.
Donut.
Looks like we only need 2 rubber bands. Look. Rubber bands. We need connectors.
Connectors.
Pin. Pin.
Fall down. Fall down.
Wood rectangles. 2 of these. A foam base, which is this, and discs. Where are the little discs? Right here. These. All right. How many do we need? Count.
We need 5.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Here we have 5.
5. They look like little cookies.
Okey doke.
They look like little
Let's
cookies.
get started.
These look like yummy little cookies.
All right, my yummy little yummers. Oh, they're so cute.
I'm not a cookie. I'm not a yummy cookie.
All right, ready? Look, pay attention. Put this aside. Here we are. Slide the foam donut into the end of the tube.
Like this?
Like this. Yes. Then peel the back of the foam donut.
You can do that like this. Come on.
Need help?
Yeah. Sticky.
Stick the foam donut to the wood base. Very nice.
Like this?
Yeah.
It's,
Gotta make sure it's right in the.
Oh, okay. It's quite wonky. And take it like that.
And then we put it through like this. Okay.
Like that.
Remove the tube.
Remove the tube, which we already did.
Slide 2 connectors into the wood base. These are just the connectors. And you slide into the bottom of the base like this.
Oh, the bottom.
Oh no! Okay. Alright, so slide the 2 connectors into the wood base. It doesn't really stay, huh? Okay. Wrap a rubber band around the connector. Okay, turn around. Look. Right here. Wrap the rubber band here.
Wrap a rubber band.
Oh, let me see.
Yeah.
Flip the base over.
Like this.
Maybe like a this. Just like that. Peel the backing of 2 wood rectangles and stick them onto the base. Look. We're gonna peel the back of this and stick it up on top. Hey, butterfingers. Everything is zipping off your hand.
I'm not there out of the butter.
Butterfingers.
It's because you take this. It's really killing
Mm-hmm.
both sides of this one. Got this sticky. Ah! Well, it's sticky.
Okay, so like that picture. Now, peel the backing of both wood rectangles. Okay, now flip the. Okay. How'd you know already what to do?
Because I look at the.
Good Lord, you're fast.
Straightly. This reminds me like a little game.
Perfect. Okay. Don't cover the hole in the foam base. You need this later. You got that? Okay. Line up the sides of the wood. Okay, perfect. Slide the pin into the base with the triangle facing up. Wait, we're here. Look. So we get this. Slide this under. Oh, wait. Okay, show them what you just did.
This, and then you slide it in there.
Okay. Make sure you can see the triangle after sliding the pin in. Can you see it? You see it.
Can you see the little pizza?
Hook another rubber band under the pin and stretch it around the connectors. Okay, like so. Here's the rubber band. Wrap it around under the bottom here first. And then, like this picture right here. Peel the backing of the foam stopper and stick it to the end of the foam base. Slide the tube into the foam donut and fill it with 5 to 10 discs. Alright, let's put this back here. Okay. Put the discs in one at a time.
2.
Woo!
I'll get it. What have you done?
What have I done, Memers?
That's messed up everything.
Oh, Lord. I got into it. Here, let's fix this thing here. This. Alright, this goes here. You got the other discs?
Yeah. I want to try.
No, let's put this back in.
Is
Where's the discs? You put them in already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, wait. Hold on. Go. But you can't cover it. Get it where I'm at. There. Boom! Boom! I know, you see, I did the same thing.
Kapla!
Kaplow!
Kapla!
Kaplow! Whoa. Wait.
Don't shoot it!
Boom!
Give me that.
Boom!
Right there.
Fix this one.
Only got 1.
Oh, we're missing one, huh? Here, we could put some more.
Because there's extra. That's 6. I should have used it.
Oh, you did. Whoa. Whoa.
Yes, hit you.
Whoa. Oh, you got good. So in the box came air dried clay, and we built little obstacles to put it in the obstacle course. I've never used air clay, but that was super fun.
Hello again. We got everything set up for the bullet one. We're gonna hit all of these.
That was good. That was really good. Good job. Excuse me, I'm trying to Alright. Okay.
How do I put it?
Look, you knock them down. And can you get up? Wait.
I will never stop.
Alright, you're really good at this.
I'm really good at it. Palm tree. No. Yes. No.
we're done with this kiwi crate. What's hard about it? It was hard to make it?
It's not hard, it's just when I pushed it just kept on getting out of it.
Yeah, this kind of dislodges every once in a while. I don't know why, but otherwise it was fun, as you could see in the video. So do you give a thumbs up or a thumbs down? All right, stay tuned. We're off to our next video, which is the forest. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Like and subscribe and hit that notification.